Hey everybody out there in the YouTube wasteland, it's your good old pal Jess and my best man dog friend Blitz. And together we are HYOH WU! Hike your own hike with us. We are headed into Hoskins Lake, a short little hike. Hoskins Lake is actually named after William Billy Hoskins. He's the fella who settled this area and actually, they say, found the lake. So that was back in 1913. We're going to go up and look around the area. Who knows? Maybe we'll find, an old cabin or something. I doubt that it's still here. But if it is, it's probably obviously old, dilapidated. And today, I am super duper excited because I bought myself a birthday present. And I'm going to test out my brand new Haven Spectre Ultralight hammock tent. All right, after a short half mile, maybe a little, just a hair over half mile hike in, we found a camp. Gonna see what we have to work with. Good news, I already see a fire ring. Want to get the hammock set up and then go explore around, get some firewood, and then have a nice big fat dinner. But wow, hopefully we can do some good fishing too. All right, we have found a spot to hang the Haven hammock tent. I am super excited. I am as giddy as a schoolboy, so to speak. I am looking forward to see what type of sleep I get tonight. Is this going to be the best, perfectest sleep I've ever got? Oh, I can't wait. I almost can't wait to go to bed tonight so I can tell you guys how I slept or didn't sleep. All right, let's get this thing hung up. Oh man. Total game changer. For sad sleeping. Oh. I'm just laying here, just kicking back. I just want to take a nap in this thing. In the lay flat, I'm on my side. Just reach up. Oh. Dudes. I can't wait to go to bed tonight. I told you I'm excited. I did, if you notice, I have the, Kammok tarp, rather than the tarp that came with this. Saved myself a little bit of money, and I think the Kammok's like 4 ounces lighter. And I didn't really like the design of the Haven tarp, that it's just, you can attach it to the Haven itself, and it looked like if the wind blew, it was like going to sit there and slap against it. I was like, yeah, I'll save myself money and a few ounces, so we'll see how this goes. Who knows, I might later down the road end up biting the bullet and getting the tarp that goes with it, but we'll see how this goes tonight. But I'm loving this. I think this is probably the best birthday gift I've ever gotten for myself. Wow. Just amazing. There is a little learning curve getting in and out, because it feels like it wants to flip a little bit. I can guarantee you in the middle of the night, I will just, if I have to go pee, I just won't be flipping it over the side and just pee it on one side. Because I think if you try doing that in this, you're going to end up with your dick in the dirt. Literally, dick in the dirt and laying in a puddle of piss. All right, we got the hammock hung. Camp's pretty much set up for the most part. And I want to backtrack just a little bit, because I looked off into the woods as I was walking in, and I was like, that's very flat over there. And it's kind of cleared out. Maybe that's where an old cabin might have been. So we're going to go take a look at that and see if we can't find anything that belongs in a museum. So right back behind me is where I thought there might be remains of a cabin, but not looking very promising. But it's kind of flat, I mean, and there was like a little trail. So let's go take a closer gander. Doesn't look like it's anything, which is unfortunate. Would have been cool to find something. But there's got to be an old homestead. I mean, it's just a matter of probably just spending time up here and finding it. Where are you, Billy Hoskins? Where's your cabin at, man? Mosquitoes are getting bad. Hoochie Mama. Well, we didn't catch any fish, so I guess it's a T-bone steak for dinner. Let's get that with that. Whew. There we go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. No mistake by the lake. No mistake by the lake. See what I did there? Let's see. Let's test the flavor. We have no bite. On the fence. All right, second bite. There we go. There we go. Speaking of T-bone steak, Sir Sean Connery was eating a steak on a T-bone steak while they were filming The Hunt for Red October up in Canada. And you remember that movie had Alec Baldwin in it. And you know, do you know how you know Alec Baldwin's a good actor? He'll tell you every 10 seconds. It'll be like, "Hi, I'm Alec Baldwin. I'm a great actor. I was in a movie with Bobby De Niro, Bobby Duvall. He's a good friend of mine. Al Pacino, the Al Man. And yeah, I'm a great actor because, you know, I told you so. I'm Alec Baldwin." But anyway, they were having dinner up there, and they were having dinner with the members of the band Crash Test Dummies. And it was Sir Sean Connery who came up with their hit song, while he was having a T-bone steak. Let me tell you a story about a boy who got into an accident on his way to school. He couldn't go to school no more. It turned his hair from black to bright white. He said it was from when the cars smashed so hard, turned his hair to white. The steak, time for me to eat. So, yeah, anyway, that's how that story goes. All right, I'm going to eat my dinner. Always happens. Well, good morning. Day number 2 from Hoskins Lake. Eating my avocado, having my coffee and butter. And I didn't sleep as good as I wanted to. And it wasn't the Haven's fault. That was comfortable as all hell. I slept on my side, I slept on my back. I was hitting REM sleep. I had some really deep dreams. But I kept waking up, and it was, number one, the loft in my pillow. I didn't have enough loft in the pillow, so I am going to order a new pillow. And I drank too much water before bed. So I had to get up like literally 4 times, or was it 3 times? It was either 3 or 4 times to pee last night, which is fine because it taught me how to get in and out of that Haven hammock tent. There's a little bit of a learning curve to that, but rather than that, I get a pillow, and I think I'll be fine. Oh, that's tasty. That's damn good coffee. So stupid. All right, guys, I am gonna drink my coffee, eat my breakfast, then head back to Libby and get a weight workout in. Gotta get in shape.